Hey guys, it's Eros from Back on Track Health Clinic here. Today what we're going to do is talk about back pain. Now back pain is very common amongst today's society. So one of the most common ways you'll injure your back is through flexion with rotation under load. Now I know that sounds complicated, but what that basically means, so we've got a spine here, lower back, thoracic, cervical spine. So when you're flexing, okay, the muscles in your back are going to be working a lot in order to try and hold you and support your joints. Now when you're flexing, you add rotation to that, you can kind of see what happens to your spine there. So what we're going to do with our video, I'm going to show you a nice little technique in order to squat when you're lifting rather than put all the load through your back. That way you're able to keep your back nice and straight in a good position and use your legs as the main functioning muscles there. So with this first video we're going to show you a power lifting technique. So as you can see, I'm bending forward from my hips, keeping my legs really straight. Now in this position, once I pick up the basket, there's a lot of load going through my back. Thus, the muscles in the back have to work extremely hard to prevent any injury to the lower back, to the joint. Now, with the correct technique, by bending the knees and squatting down, I am able to then lift the basket using the power in my legs, keeping my back nice and aligned without causing any damage to any of the joints. So with this second lifting technique, we're going to include the rotation. So similar to the first video, we're flexing forward to pick up the basket. Then once I've picked up the basket, I'm rotating right to put it onto the stool. Now with this, we're again putting a lot of load through our back. So in order to correct this, we're going to use a nose over toes technique. So basically you're going to squat down, pick up the basket, and then as you're turning, you're going to move your feet to turn and face the stool. Again, with the nose over toes, every time you move, your toes would be directly under your nose. That's going to prevent you from rotating and putting a lot of load through your back. So there you have it guys, a real simple squatting technique which will help prevent you doing any damage to your back. Now in a nutshell, I'm going to just touch on neutral spine. So basically keeping your body in this position here at all times is really important. Now in our next video with Arv, you're going to learn a lot more about neutral spine and how you're able to activate it and maintain that core strength. Okay. If you need any appointments, feel free to call the clinic. Any more information on any of our videos, be sure to call and ask questions, and we'll see you next time.